Number 7, we have Bad Romeo drama, which is going to be released in January 2021. This drama, in which the boy whose name is Mario plays as a psychologist who deals with his deaf mute housemaid, a girl which is played by the Yaya. He helps her to recover from his worst childhood trauma, which led her to become in this situation. And in this process, the two both deeply fall in love with each other. But it is not easy to love with them because there is a many obstacle which comes in between them. But then also their love doesn't give up with one another. So this drama is going to be released in January 2021. It is a drama which is show the life drama, romance drama, and also the drama in which the both help each other. After that, we have A Tale of a Thousand Stars. It is a boys' love drama. In this drama, we will see the volunteer teacher. A girl dies in a tragic accident, and her heart is transported to the boy whose name is Tian. Now, this boy learns about her secret because her heart is transported to him, and her one of the dream is to count the thousand stars with the military officer whose name is Fuba. And he then decided to complete her dream after being dead, and her heart then follow him and go to meet him. And after in this process, the military boy Fuba and this boy Tian is start to fall in love with each other deeply. But the military boy is really not going to accept this relationship, but later he also can't control his feelings and fall in love with him. After that, we have new drama is called as the Wong Win Hwaja. In this drama, we have the girl who is the main lead, which name is a Bo, returns to the Thailand after she learned that her boyfriend is cheating on her, and he is cheating on her with a girl whose name is Vinithy, and he made her pregnant, and he is going to marry that girl. And we have the main lead Toss, who is the owner of the plantation and is extremely protector over his sticky sister, and Vinithy is his sister. He then go to the club alone and drink her pain away. There she meet with a bad situation and she is saved by the Toss, who managed to take her to the private room safely. Then he thinks that this girl will ruin her sister marriage, so he decides that he make a plan and tell the boy's father that he has slept with his daughter, and because of this his father forces us to marry the Toss, and they both get married, but they marry without the love. But this hate and love relationship start to blooms in a real love relationship. After that, we have the boys love drama My Right. This drama is also going to be released in 2021 mid-year. In this drama, we will see the Dr. Tawan often hires the Mork, a motorcycle driver, to drop him at his dentist boyfriend apartment after work. One day, however, when a Mork knowingly makes Dr. Tawan late for his date, Dr. Tawan finds out that his boyfriend has been cheating on him. Heartbroken and feeling betrayal, the Tawan break up with his boyfriend. In the meanwhile time, his friendship with the driver Mork continues to grow. This drama is about sweet and innocent development of a friendship, but then love between a rider and his passenger. After that, we have a drama Rakun Wai Jiao Chai Kop. In this drama, we will see a girl whose name is Luktan. The smart girl who made up a legend about a frog goes to protect the Cheon Chiwa, her hometown, from a greedy businessman who are looking for an opportunity to invest in that village for their own sake. One day, a cold-hearted, calm and strict businessman named Keen creates a secret plan to create a high-end luxury resort there. However, due to an unexpected accident, he lost his memory and became very kind and warm-hearted. The Luktan began to take care of him, and they soon fell in love with each other and live very happily together life. However, their happiness didn't last long. Keen's parents come to the village to bring the Keen back with them. He gained all of his memory back. Unfortunately, Keen had forgotten everything, and also he forgotten the Luktan. She makes everything to become the remember in front of him, but he doesn't remember her. But later he fell in new love with her. After that, we have lovely writer. In this drama, we will see a boy whose name is Jean, is a writer by profession, is one day given a request by his publisher to try his hand at a new type of a genre, which is a boy love. Accepting this new challenge, the Jean writes and publishes a YA novel that is well received and become incredibly successful. So successful that it even gets made into a BL drama. This is the story of how Jean, a popular writer, get deceived by a 20-year-old guy, Nupsib, who comes to the audition for play the lead role in the BL drama which is written by him, and he is to be pretending very polite, but in real he is not that polite, and this drama will show that how these polite and non-polite people get attracted to each other and fall in deeply love with each other. After that, we have a drama F for Thailand Boys Over Flower. It is the Thailand version of a Boys Over Flower drama, which is very successful in a Korean and a Japanese drama. In this drama, is a girl whose name is Goria, is a low-class girl accepted into the prestigious high school attended by the wealthy people. The school is ruled by an elite four group, which is known as the F4 group, consisting of four rich, handsome, and spoiled boys. The Goria is the only one that stand up against them and not afraiding them, leaving all boys in the queue. Especially the Thyme, the group leader. Almost instantly smitten by the Goria, the Thyme romantically pursues her, but she has no interest in him because of his first rude impression. She then falls for his best friend, whose name is Rain, but Rain is in love with his childhood love. In all chaos of a school, the Goria can't help but find herself falling for the Thyme because of his generosity to her and her family, and his change of a character and his protectiveness towards her make her truly fall for her. But there is many comes ups and downs, and we are going to see this in a 2021. So friends, these are all the drama which is going to be released in 2021, and we are surely waiting for all these Thai dramas to be watched in 2021.